Hey guys, let's talk about the best SD card for this H88 wearable camera. So I have the camera just right here in a different color, and here's the SD card. That's the one that I recommend because it's fast enough to be used by the camera to record in high resolution. Here's the capacity. This one is 32 gigabytes. And here's some information about the card speed, right? I'll leave the link in the description for this card because you just need to get a good one, otherwise it's not gonna work with your camera. So there's Lexar, there's Samsung, there's SanDisk, good SD cards. I recommend this one, link in the description. Let me just insert here in the camera so you see how it works. Basically there's a rubber flap here that you need to open, and you just insert that way. Just put that facing up, then you flip it and insert here into the slot. Just need to push it until here, click, close it, and turn the camera on. Just press and hold for 3 seconds, and you're gonna see this LED, it's steady blue LED. And when you press once like this, it starts recording and it starts flashing light blue slowly, right? So that means the camera is recording fine. So if it's not recording, you just need to format the SD card, okay? I have another video here in the channel where I show how to format the SD card using your app here, or you can format using a computer. So it's up to you the way you can format. Sometimes it doesn't work with the app, then you just need to use a computer anyway, okay? But that's the video just about which SD card to use. I recommend that one that I was showing here from Lexar, link here in the description. So I hope you like this video. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.